Welcome to our video on the 2026 Virtual Assistant Industry Outlook. In this report, we explore the trends shaping the future of virtual assistants, how AI is transforming the industry, and why more and more businesses are increasingly relying on virtual talent for their operations. So let's get started. The global virtual assistant services market has entered a decisive growth phase. By 2025, the market size for VA services is estimated at $5.3 billion, projected to reach $6.5 billion by 2026. And by 2035, the market is expected to be valued at $43.4 billion, reflecting a decade-long growth of 23.4% CAGR. There are three key factors driving the growth of VA market: hybrid work adoption, AI integration, and increasing demand for remote workforces. Hybrid work has stabilized globally, with businesses adopting it as a core operational model. In 2025, virtual assistants will continue to handle core administrative functions but will increasingly take on roles in marketing, AI-assisted tasks, and customer support. The demand for remote roles is growing rapidly, with remote work being a key factor in VA adoption. As hybrid work becomes the norm, the need for virtual assistants will only increase. AI is being integrated into VA tasks, with AI tools becoming more common. However, AI adoption is still uneven, and VAs are playing a key role in bridging this gap by using AI in support functions like research and reporting. In 2025, most businesses prefer dedicated long-term VA engagements over hourly or fractional models. This trend reflects the increasing reliance on VAs for consistent and ongoing support. The healthcare, marketing, and finance sectors lead in VA adoption. These industries rely heavily on administrative and customer support roles, making virtual assistants a key component of their operations. The VA industry is set for substantial growth in the coming years. As businesses continue to embrace hybrid work and AI tools, the demand for virtual assistants will only increase. To wrap this video up, the virtual assistant industry is set for continued growth. As businesses adapt to new work models and AI tools, virtual assistants will remain integral to operational success. Now is the time to embrace virtual talent for your business.